Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open the File Explorer fast in your Windows 11 in a very simple way. If you go for this PC over here, you can see this time it's showing this PC drives and drivers over here. But if you just click on home, then you will get the option of File Explorer. But if you just simply go to File Explorer as well, this is also showing this quick access, or if you just go for File Explorer, it will shows the drivers and devices over here. So how you will going to open the File Explorer first? For that, you just need to come over into your search option and going to type File Explorer options. After that, click on that, and here you just need to do open File Explorer. Click on that, click on home, and then you just need to check this all item over here. Click apply. Okay, and if you just simply click on the File Explorer, you can see it automatically come over into the quick access. So this is how you can open File Explorer fast in your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.